Inside this bag is a bunch of gadgets that I've accumulated over the last few weeks. Some of them I bought, some of them they were sent over, some of them I were given for free by different brands and companies. So I'm actually starting a new segment on the vlog which we will be calling Mega Tech Unboxing. So every now and then we'll be doing it and we'll just number it. Mega Tech Unboxing number 1, Mega Tech Unboxing number 2, number 3, and so forth. This is obviously inspired by Your Average Consumer, another YouTube channel that I follow very closely. I'll put the link down below to him. Subscribe to him if you guys haven't yet. With that out of the way, let's get started. But before anything, if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe now. Why? We're giving away a Nintendo Switch, details of which down below. So let's jump right into it. First up, we have something that was given to me by Xiaomi Philippines. This, it has a note here from Xiaomi Philippines to Sir Carlo Ople. Let's take the tag out. Guys, this is the Xiaomi Mi 90 Pro. The unit that I picked up a few weeks ago that I did the review on was actually a sample or engineering unit. This is the actual consumer device or the retail device. So let's do a quick unboxing. With our trusty knife over here just so we can see what it looks like up close. So as you can see, it comes in this black box with the image of the phone up front. Says there along the side Xiaomi Mi 90 Pro. So I'm pretty excited to see what the color is, and this is actually my first unboxing of the device because the first time it came, it was literally just wrapped in bubble wraps. Guys, this is the Xiaomi Mi 90 Pro, one of the legendary flagship killer devices. Packs a Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 processor, a 48 megapixel AI rear triple camera, 4000 milliamperes of battery, and a 6.39-inch AMOLED Full HD Plus display. So again, I did a review on this. You will find the link down below in the description box and maybe somewhere up here as well. So that's the first item, the Xiaomi Mi 90 Pro. Shout out Xiaomi Philippines. Next up, we have a package that I received a few days ago, but I actually never realized who it was from. So let's just tear it open and take a look at what's inside. This is the unique Hide Air ultra fast charging power bank. So there you guys have it. The special thing about this one is not only does it have like a USB-C fast charging port, you can actually use it so that it functions as a kickstand. So as you guys can see over there, so you can actually use it as a stand for your phone while it's charging. So what we can do now is we can actually take it out of the box. It comes in this really nice matte blue, navy dark blue finish, and you have the USB-C Type-C port over there as well as a micro USB. If there is this like toggle here along the side, so maybe if you press it open, that's what you use to be able to put the smartphone on as you are charging it. So maybe if you put the iPhone like that and then you put the cable to be able to charge the device. It also has this nice screen on the side, and if you tap the button here, it actually shows you how many percentage it has left, so you know if you need to charge it or if it still has enough juice to be able to power up your smartphone. So that's device number 2, the Hide Air unique power bank. Next up, we have something from Digital Walker. This is the Yeelight wireless charging nightlight, and this one sells for 1,690 pesos. And what this actually does, it's a hybrid product. So it is a wireless charging pad, but it also has like a small light bulb along the end which you can actually take out and use to be able, well, as a nightlight. So let's unbox it and take a closer look at what this looks like in the flesh. So guys, this is what the charging pad looks like. So this is actually magnetic, or well, it's not, yeah, it's magnetic. So this is the actual light device. So if you press the button over here, it has 2 modes. It has white and it has some sort of like yellow or warm light. So you can actually put it here and then it charges. So there is a micro USB port here along the side. So the idea is you charge this one with the micro USB port. This part becomes a wireless charging pad. You put your phone here, it charges the phone, and then you can actually use this as well for a nightlight. So devices like this are actually perfect for your nightstand beside your bed. So again, this is the Yeelight wireless charging nightlight. Oh, let's keep going. We still have a bunch of gadgets inside the box. Next up, we have again something from Digital Walker. I actually featured this in my previous video where I talked about some of the very best true wireless earphones that you guys can buy, especially when they are affordable and cheap. Now this one is the Motorola Stream, and it originally came out priced at 5,000 pesos, but I was able to get it at 90% off from the Digital Walker sale. So I bought this for just 500 pesos during their sale. So let's just take it out of the box so we can take a closer look. So as you guys can see, it has this plastic charging case which has some sort of like carbon fiber design, but do not be misled, it is not made out of carbon fiber. And if you pop it open, you have the typical case for the earbuds that usually come in this. Then when it comes to the earbuds, we have two buds over here, one left, one right, with the Motorola logo on the outer face, and you have extra wireless tips, silicone tips. So that's pretty much it. I mean, it's not a bad buy considering it's just 500 pesos. So that's the fourth gadget. For the fifth, we have something from Google, and this is something that I actually picked up when I was in Singapore. This is the Google Home Hub. So what this is basically the combination of 2 or 3 devices. You have a display or a screen, you have a voice assistant with Google Assistant, and then you have the Google Home mechanism as well as a speaker. So all of those things combined in one device. So what this is best for is if you wanna put it in your living room or in your bedroom, because not only does it tell time, it allows you to control your smart home or play music using Spotify. So let's just pop this open so we can take a closer look. So this is what the device looks like. You have that display, kind of like a tablet over here. So when it's turned on, it's supposed to show you your relevant Google information. There is this back which is covered in some sort of cloth, but this actually also doubles as a speaker. You have the Google logo over there, the power port over here, and then an orange like mat stand so that it doesn't move when you put it on the table. So this one is the Google Home Hub. Now, I am working on a video that will talk about like setting up a smart home. So if you guys are interested in that, please do let me know by letting me know down below in the comment section, smart home. So that's the fifth device inside the bag. We still have around 3 more that I want to show you. Next up is something for videography. Smartphone videography. This is from Tech. So I actually got this from Tech Philippines. They're distributed by Lightroom Corporation. And what this is it's an affordable vlogging foldable gimbal for your smartphone. So this is what the Tech Vlog Pocket foldable smartphone gimbal looks like. So if you open it like so, then you should be able to put your smartphone here, turn on the gimbal, and then you can walk around doing your usual vlogging with this device. Now, I guess the best ideal scenario is that you use a camera with a wide-angle lens. And the great news is that almost all smartphones these days already pack an ultra-wide. So it shouldn't be hard for you to start vlogging, even just with a smartphone and maybe a gimbal like this one. Down to our last 2 items, and the last 2 items are actually true wireless earphones at different price points. So I'll start with this one, which is something that I actually ordered from Lazada a few weeks back, and I just haven't gotten around to reviewing it because we've just been inundated with so many sneakers that I really couldn't get the chance to review it. So this is one of those earphones, true wireless earphones, that sell for less than 1,000 pesos. This is the QCY-T1 True Wireless Bluetooth earphones. So again, the main selling point is that it is cheap, it has the technology, it's supposed to sound decent. So it's competing with the likes of the Xiaomi AirDots as well as the Halo GT1, which we've done reviews for both. So this has got to be the most uneventful unboxing ever. So this is the true wireless case. It doesn't have a cover. So that's it. So the earbuds are actually exposed. So you just pull them out. It is magnetic, so it's easy to actually slide it back in. But yeah, so that's it. So I haven't tested it yet. So please do watch out for my review of the QCY cheap true wireless earphones in the next few days. Again, and for our last device, if that was cheap, now we go expensive. Ladies and gentlemen, this is one of the best, arguably, true wireless earphones that you guys can get today. This is the Sony F1000XM3. One of the most critically acclaimed, reviewed, applauded true wireless earphones because it just packs so many features in it really outpacing and beating other true wireless earphones such as the AirPods, the Samsung Galaxy Buds, and all the other devices in the market today. So if you slide it open, you have the box over here. I actually unboxed it already, so the earphones are no longer here, they're actually inside. So this is what the case looks like. You have some sort of like bronze cover at the top and a matte black finish, and you can probably tell that it is a big case compared to the other true wireless earphones I reviewed in the past, mainly because the actual earphones are actually bigger. Because if you take a closer look at it, here you guys go, you see that the outer face is actually massive compared to the others because it packs more technology. This one actually has active noise cancelling, so this will literally isolate you from the rest of the world, allowing you to enjoy your music in peace. Actually works really well as well if you are traveling in airplanes and you want something to blot out the noise that you usually get while you are in a plane. So these are all the devices that I unboxed and opened for you for our first ever Mega Tech Unboxing 1.0. Let's do a quick recap. We have the Xiaomi Mi 90 Pro from Xiaomi Philippines. We have the QCY Stereo Bluetooth True Wireless Earphones T1. We have the Motorola Stream I was able to get from Digital Walker. We have the Sony F1000XM3 from Sony. We have the unique Hide Air power bank. This looks really nice. I'll probably do a follow-up review on this one. We have the Yeelight wireless charging nightlight again from Digital Walker Philippines. We have the Feiyu Tech Vlog Pocket from Feiyu Philippines. And we have the Google Home Hub, which I was able to pick up in Singapore in my last trip. So that's actually it for a Mega Tech Unboxing 1.0. What do you guys think? Did you guys enjoy it? Let me know what you think in the comment section. I'll probably do a follow-up review on some of the gadgets here. I don't know yet. There's just so many things to unbox, so many things to do, but I'm excited to do all of that content for you guys. So that's actually it for now. Peace, God bless, what's up, boom.